Hey everyone, it's October, so join me for another line buster. This one is Jack Skellington face paint. So I have a round number 4 brush here with Paradise White. I really love this white. It can be very, very bright if you work the water and your brush in there for quite a while, so you get that creamy consistency. Here we have Paradise Mauve. It's a really pretty, like a deeper purple. I really love this shade. I use it for unicorn hair too. And this is Mama Clown's Twilight. Oh, love it, so beautiful. This is a nasal aspirator for babies, and I like to use it to blow off excess glitter, either with face paint or henna. Works really great. Now I have my round number 3 Little Cornell with Mehron Edge Black. Again, I mentioned before, I love this black because it does not get goopy in the high humidity where we live. So if it's hot, sweaty, it just works really, really great. And it doesn't get all goopy and gross. It dries out really fast for your next application. So here we're just doing the spider webs with our line work. And now Jack needs his eyes. There we go. I do kind of like the panda eye. Like if someone asks for a panda, I do the same eye. Really big, giant oval eyes. Now his nose, just 2 stamps right there. 1, 2. And a long smile all the way across and stitches. We're going to give him some eyebrows just so he looks more friendly than scary. And if you have more time, you can always add more like of these really neat curls. My friend Elizabeth Gale, she uses them a lot. I really like it. Really cool effect there. So you can always add more if you want. You know, it depends how much time you have. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm going to come out with more line busters, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys for your help. Bye.